Aliza Mirza, topper of class 12, scored 94.4% marks.
Congratulations, Aliza. God bless you.
Anjali Jain, topper of class 10, scored 95.5% marks.
Congratulations, Anjali Jain. God bless you.
Kanika Sharma of class 10 scored 100% marks in history and civics.
Congratulations. Wow. Kanika, well done. I feel proud seeing students scoring marks 100 out of 100 in the subject history and civics. Well done. Good.
Anjali Jain of class 10 scored 100% marks in history and civics.
Wow, Anjali Jain, congratulations again. You are the same one who topped in class 10 and scored 100 marks in history and civics. As a history teacher, I take this as a pride. Congratulations again. Well done.
Thank you, ma'am.
Anshika Gaur of class 10 scored 100% marks in history and civics.
Well done, Anshika. And try to score 100% marks in other subjects also. As a history teacher, I am very happy. Well done. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Dhairya Singh of class 10 scored 100% marks in history and civics.
Congratulations, Dhairya. Well done. And do in the same way in your future life also. God bless you.
Kunal Singh of class 10 scored 100% marks in history and civics.
Congratulations, Kunal. Well done.
Thank you.
And do the same way in your life and prove yourself in 100% way. Okay? God bless you.
Anubhuti is a voluntary social organization which has been started by the Single family. Their daughter Swati Single was an alumni of Ingraham, but we lost her to breast cancer. And so to generate an awareness among people about breast cancer, they have started a scholarship in the name of Swati, and they want to give any kind of a help they can offer any kind of a help to the meritorious students. And on the same, they are giving the first scholarship of rupees 5,000, worth rupees 5,000 to Suryansh Singh from class 4. So I would like to request Ma'am Johari to present the scholarship and the award money along with the certificate to Suryansh.
Well done, Suryansh. Congratulations. Keep it up. You can leave.
The second student is Ayushi, who is also getting a award of 5,000 rupees along with a certificate, and I would like to request Ma'am Sarita to present it to Ayushi.
Ma'am Sarita is the principal of Women's Degree College, Ingraham Institute. We request Dr. Sarita to present this award.
Well done, Ayushi.
Thank you, ma'am.
Keep it up. Congratulations. Congratulations.
The third scholarship goes to Amandeep from class 12, and I would like to request our vice principal, Mr. Ajay Singh, to present it to her. She is also getting an award of 5,000 rupees along with a certificate.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
And last but not the least, we have Divyanshu Seni from class 12, and he is also getting an award of 5,000 rupees cash along with the certificate. And I would like to request our principal, Ma'am Arpana Ruth, to present it to him. And
Congratulations.
Done. Thank you so much, ma'am.